Mold remediation should be completed and confirmed before repainting an exterior house to avoid trapping spores and recurring growth. When preparing an exterior paint project after mold is present, start by identifying and correcting the moisture sources that allowed mold to grow and document those repairs for reference. Use a bristle brush and a biocidal cleaner rated for exterior mold on porous and non-porous surfaces, and follow the manufacturer contact time and dilution instructions precisely, rinsing thoroughly with low pressure to avoid driving spores deeper into substrates. Replace materials that are structurally compromised or where the mold has penetrated beyond cleaning, such as rotted wood or saturated insulation, and ensure new materials are fully dried before any primer or paint. After cleaning, allow at least 24 to 48 hours of drying, depending on temperature and humidity. Then, perform a visual and tactile inspection for residual staining or musty odor, as an initial confirmation that remediation succeeded. When repainting, choose primers and top coats labeled for mildew resistance and compatible with the substrate. Use an alkali-resistant primer on bare masonry and a stain-blocking primer on tannin or efflorescent stains. Apply 2 coats of quality exterior paint with proper wet film thickness and backroll small or rough areas to ensure uniform coverage over clean surfaces and maintain ventilation and drying conditions recommended by the paint maker. Homeowners commonly mistake surface cleaning for full remediation, which can leave hidden colonies behind. Address this by correcting leaks and replacing materials that are deeply colonized rather than relying on cleaners alone. Another frequent issue is painting over high moisture content, which traps water and promotes regrowth. Avoid this by measuring moisture or waiting longer for natural drying after repairs and cleaning. A third problem is selecting incompatible paint systems that fail to adhere or block stains. Prevent this by using substrate-appropriate primers and products explicitly formulated for mildew resistance and following manufacturer recoat windows and surface preparation steps. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who do remediation and exterior painting, and helps contractors find work by listing projects and skills. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical experiences and ask questions about integrating mold remediation with repainting.